If you look at graphic trends right now, especially with poster design, explosive colors, beautiful fonts, and just going abstract and going with your gut is out there. Minimalism, maximalism. So it's up to you how you would like to combine your talents with what's trending right now. One of the beautiful, colorful design that's currently trending is the abstract dispersion that we're going to be creating on Canva together. So let's jump right in on Canva and do the design. Search for a poster design and open up a blank one. Great stuff. So your step number one is to use an image that is catchy and beautiful. So I went on Canva and I found a gorgeous image that we're going to use together. I'll give you the name of the image, and it's this wonderful dancer that's called Photo Jumping Long Haired Blonde in torn jeans on brown background. Find an image that works for you and add it to the design. Because we don't want to use her background, we're going to use our Canva's background remover. We're going to select edit image and click on background remover. Background remover is a pro user feature, so if you don't have one and you want to trial it, you can use my link in the description below. Next, you're going to reduce the size of the extra space for our dancer, and then you increase her size of the image to a sizing that you want. So in order for you to create gaps in an image, if you've watched this video where I showed you how to do a dispersion on a logo, it's still the same principle and same concept. So you're going to go to your elements and you're going to search for splash. You want to use the splash. It is a free one. It's called Untitled by Creature SH from Pixabay. So you're going to add the splash to the design. And if you want the splash to eat up the image, you need to make the splash the same color as your background. So we want the poster to be a black background. Maybe we might make it gray, I'm not sure. I'll just go for black for now. And the minute you start adding the splash on there, it starts creating gaps. So you could duplicate and start creating all gaps where you want to create gaps, same as the background that you've created. So I want a little bit big background on here. I'm gonna use this nice splash that is also available for free, that's also called Abstract Splash Art Illustration, also by Cycler Free Vector. So you add it. The trick here with creating gaps is to find a splash that has colors. Because if it has colors, you're able to change the color to the same background that you're creating. So we're going to change the splash and make it a black so that we create the gaps that we want wherever we want to have the gaps. Create the gap because you've made the background to be the same as the splash. Once you're happy and you've adjusted and you've made it and you've added it to where you want, luckily this image has a nice beautiful glow. So we're going to start putting in some designs on our image here. We want to add a beautiful glow. So you're going to go to your elements and you're going to search for a glow, like a glow light. So search for glow light and then find a glow light that's nice and bright and gold and goes hand in hand with your poster. So you're going to add it on there and then you make it nice and big. And then you send it to the back of the designer. So adjust it. You're then going to find yourself a glowing wave, a gold glowing wave, and you add it onto your design. So you just add it to the design and rotate it and make it big. and then send it also to back. And just reduce the transparency so that it is not in the design so much as in the design's face like that. Last, I'm going to duplicate my splash and change the color. And send both to back. And there's your poster, beautifully done. You could just add text of whatever event that you're hosting. I found this join now text that I want to use. When I click the combination text, and you could just put it on there, put the date and time. It depends on when your event is going to be. Change this to gold. And there's your very trendy poster that you could create in 2024. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like to see more of these, please share the video. I appreciate when you like and you share. You can watch the dispersion video now just to get a feel of how to do that on a logo. I appreciate your time. I will see you on our next video.